Hello, welcome to Tech-Based Options for Retaining Academic English Vocabulary. This web-based learning tool was created with the needs of English language learners in mind, but native speakers of English with a limited knowledge of academic vocabulary may find it useful as well. The purpose of this tool is to assist students with the retention of academic vocabulary, which can be challenging due to the formality and the complexity of the words, many of which are not frequently used in everyday English. However, a sound knowledge of academic vocabulary is critical for understanding academic texts and lectures and completing academic assignments. The tool is designed for self-study, allowing students to explore the activities at a pace that best suits their needs. Upon completion of the tasks, students should have an understanding of the basics of learning general and academic vocabulary, and they should be able to apply a variety of tech-based strategies for retaining academic English vocabulary, including creating a Quizlet study set to learn academic collocations. This tool consists of 6 modules. As you can see here, General English Vocabulary, Academic English Vocabulary, Learning with Vocabulary.com, Learning with a Visual Dictionary, Learning with WordWebs, and Learning with Quizlet. And each module gives users an opportunity to test their understanding of the presented concepts through quizzes or hands-on activities. Please take some time to explore the website. I hope you'll enjoy your visit.